Now this is how we're going to combine PDF files in your iPad. Let's get into it. Before we get started with this, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you never miss anything important. Now go to the Files app where your PDF files are located, and you can go to your iPad section or iCloud, whatever, but just click on a select at the top, which will allow you to select multiple PDF files. Now tap on the 2 or 3 or even more, and once you have those selected, at the bottom right corner we have the More options button. And when you click on More, this gives you the ability to create a PDF, right? So we have selected 2 or 3 PDFs, and if you click on Create PDF, it will put them all together into one brand new file. So this is like a very simple built-in solution for this particular issue. Keep in mind that if you need some advanced features and you need to edit your PDFs in a much deeper depth, let's put it that way, you will most likely need a dedicated PDF editor. There are plenty of them on the App Store, which you can explore. Pretty much most of them get the job done, but it's very likely that editing PDFs and putting them together will require a paid subscription. That's the case with most of these apps. And honestly, I don't even have any of my favorites which I could recommend to you. So yeah, just try out which one works. But that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot, and I will catch you later in the next tutorials.